This is a wonderful case. This is the same girl who had referred the first case, Tina De Silva. She came with a severe asthma, a very beautiful girl. She comes from a Catholic family with a very strong believer in Jesus. Her breathlessness was aggravated by cold drink, cold water, draft of air, monsoon, and getting wet. Aggravated with the midnight, fear, dry climate, better by warm drink, better by tea, and better by going out of Bombay. Mumbai or Bombay has got lot of humid climate. It's so humid that you breathe practically humidity 24/7. So what miasm it would be? What miasm it is? Psychotic. It is out and out psychotic, with the fear of death continuously, restlessness, cracking of joint and painful. At the age of 18, cracking of joint, what miasm it is? Friends, please let me know. Cracking of joint at the age of 18. Not psychotic. Yes, Nelly, it is out and out tubercular. Sorry, syphilitic. Out and out syphilitic. So just imagine a patient who is in a psychotic phase at the level of asthma, and bodily she's already traveling to syphilitic. See what is happening to the patient. So this is a very sensitive case. If you're not careful and if your medicine is wrong, patient can go into the syphilitic phase. In acute phase, the patient is chilly, thirst for little water frequently, cough with white expectoration, watery discharge, and joints cracking and painful. Craving for sweets, aversion to vegetables, occasionally constipated, sweat plus in summer, underarms, sleep less because of attacks and the thoughts. Dreams of flying, water and God. What miasm it is? Dreams of flying. What miasm it is? Tubercular. Absolutely right. So this small tinge, see the psoriatic, see the psychotic, see the tubercular, see the syphilitic. Are you able to see the complete expression of a disease of all the miasm? Those who have attended my miasm webinar will be able to understand this very clearly. Bath with warm water, likes except during fan, likes aggravated headache, sun gives headache, prefers mild weather, covers only in winter. Birth weight 8 pounds, talking 1 year, teething 8 months. So teething was slightly delayed. She's studying in first year of college. She fell in love with a Muslim boy since last 3 years. So just imagine, at the age of 15, she started having relationship. She has two brothers, one sister, and the sister is studying medicine. Sister is studying medicine. Second child in the family, pampered a lot, tall, beautiful, attractive, can easily attract anybody. She was really beautiful. I mean, you cannot even imagine that beautiful she was. She had regular physical relationship with this boy, got pregnant, and once had an abortion. When she gets angry, in anger, she breaks things very easily. She has marked stage fear and she cannot face the crowd. She can get very nervous when she faces audience. She's okay with lower education, could get admission with great difficulty in the college. The acute medicine was arsenical. The patient was given arsenical repeatedly. Patient started recovering. Now comes the constitutional totality. Heavy baby, anger violent, destructive, contradiction intolerant of, loves sex, but she being a Catholic, she had a lot of guilt because of this. Aggravated monsoon, aggravated getting wet, better in dry climate, cracking joints, and attractiveness. What is the remedy? Think of a remedy which would cover the complete range, which would cover psora to syphilite, which would cover the anger, which would cover the sexual relationship. Understand this. See, natrum sulf is out and out psychotic. Tuberculinum will not be there because tuberculinum is very far off. It will just touch the part of it. Palladium and platina, they are the people who would love to have physical relationship. For sure. Any other remedy? Platina, palladium, lycopodium, lachesis. She's not lachesis. She's not vindictive. Steffi, she's not Steffi. Steffi will not be able to tolerate the boyfriend. Lyco, she's not intelligent. Seema says calcarea floor. Dweep says calcarea. Why calcarea? Dweep, can you give the reasons? And Seema, why calcarea floor? Abhijit, it's not Natramure. She's gone into the relationship. The weight at the sex. Yes, one of the reason why calcarea. Heavy baby. Yes. What else? Sarita says calcarea sulf. See, Sarita, if it was calcarea sulf, she would have at least some skin ailment. Something has to be there. It's not there. So it's not calcarea sulf. I want you to develop that logic and thinking of coming to the right remedy. Yes, calcarea for caking joint. Nelly, it is calcarea floor. See, wherever there is a floor element, we understand, wherever there is a floor element, there is lot of sex, lot of destruction. And the cracking of joint is the fluorine part. The laxity is the heavy baby is calcarea part. So we are here joining two elements. It is known as synthetic prescription. When one remedy cannot cover the entire gamut of symptoms, you think of a cation which would cover the prescription. She was attractive. Fluorine is attractive. Fluorine has got cracking of joint. Calcarea, there are some symptoms which are common. Like calcarea floor is out and out psychotic and syphilitic. So it gets aggravated from monsoon, better from dry climate. Charge of sex, 3 premarital, is fluorine. Anger, violent, contradiction is again fluorine. Okay, heavy baby is calcarea. So the remedy is calcarea floor. What potency you will give? Calcarea fluorica. However conversant one may be with either or both of these elements, the curative power held in this double remedy. See how beautifully Kant has said. You know, you should read Kant. You should read Kant like Bible. It will give you so much of knowledge. Okay. It says beautifully, Clark, cracking in joints, synovial swellings. Okay. How beautifully it gets described. So the patient was given arsenicol for the acute phase, the acute exacerbation which we saw in the beginning, and calcarea flow 200, gradually increase it to calcarea flow 10 m. See, understand, at 18 she was suffering so badly. Now if I don't give the higher potency, she would not be cured completely. The syphilitic trait will remain inside and the patient will suffer a lot. So the patient is completely cured. The prescription could be based on the present totality. Considering the acute totality, acute medicine was given. On chronic totality, constitutional medicine was given. Calcarea floor, which is very active, just like Moschus and Platina. Okay. The floor elements brings lot of activity and the patient recovered completely.